What's up, Drew? How you doing?
Good.
So what do we got going on here?
Well, it looks like Timmy's taking apart an upper ball joint. Drew's holding company together today.
You're making parts today.
Call it that.
3 would be lost for that.
So here we are, Project Tundra, the 2020 Toyota Tundra. We hit a deer and destroyed the front bumper. So we're giving this cheapy bumper a try. This is from Hook Road. I actually like the look of it for the price, but we're just gonna give it a try, see how it fits. And that's not the coolest part. The coolest part is we have Elkas for this thing. So we'll be opening these boxes up in a minute. Time to get some good suspension on it. Flip the pry bar over. There you go. Pull up. Okay, so a little unboxing action on the Elkas.
Flip that over.
Yeah, then put all
the
this
paper in it.
resi mount. Cool. Those are the rears.
These are the rears.
Those are the rears. Pretty sick though.
Jesus. Look at these units.
Yep, John from Elka has got us set right up. Now guys, we are now a dealer for these, so give us a call, 518-563-3699. We can set you up with the same shocks. So attempt number 2, see if we can get to the fronts this time.
Slow. 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 Throw the paper over. Throw the paper over.
It's like Christmas again.
Yep. That's one.
There she is. So hold that one up to it. We gotta get a comparison of the pogo stick next to the Elka. Yep. A little bit of a difference there. So we're shooting for a 3-inch lift in the front with these shocks. Got the remote resis, adjustable ride height. See what happens. Gotta love how they make these. Unclip everything, you get your bolt through. Okay, let's leave it right there. Leave it right there.
Fucking 20-foot long bolt right there.
I wasn't gonna do it with Papa
Papa
because we know what happens.
has an angry spaz attack on you. You don't get angry.
I don't get angry.
You're calm as fuck. I mean, you used to get angry.
Well, I got 4 kids. I can't get angry. It's gonna be a bad time.
No, we got it. It's fine.
Ah! Okay, I'm gonna hold that. Okay, you're gonna do your magic like you did last time.
I didn't do this. Bill did it last time.
Bill's got the camera right now, trying to do some how-to action here. I feel like we're on an episode of Monster Garage. Something got thrown away here.
People fucking touch everything,
Oh, yeah.
move everything. They just keep the foot off shit.
Just looking for a nut, another one of these bad boys.
You can't go back on the camera and see your
Come on, it's TV drama, right? Missing nut. Starting a work order over here.
Holy got this all, man. Oh, you found it?
No, still looking.
You are the last one to touch the shit.
It was right there, man. The motors are here, and now they're here.
Is it lunchtime, Drew? Yeah. You help yourself to one of those sandwiches. I'm trying to be nice, Drew. Take it.
So what do you rate this on a 1 to 10? Is this a full work order 10 or like a medium job like a 5?
It's a medium.
And that's only because we don't have a lift in this building. So a couple jack stands. Just we're rating it. We're rating the job here, man.
Because you fucking lost it.
So we're rating this at probably like a 6 to a 7 if you don't have a lift. Just got to get your sway bar loose on each side, and it helps to jack the suspension back up to get your sway bar hooked back up. But overall, it wasn't too bad. Gonna get the resis installed and go from there. Get the bumper lined up and where it should be.
Well, that's why would we do that? Who were you talking to on the phone? The pharmacy? And you're that nice on the phone? Yeah, it's none of your business. No, it's not. You're right, it's not any of my business. I'm asking you a question.
It was like a nice little old lady that called me from the pharmacy.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all I wanted to know.
Why do you want to know?
Because I'm asking you a question. That's what friends fucking do. God damn it, Drew.
We can't have a normal conversation.
I didn't know you were doing that.
We're unable to have a normal conversation.
That is a normal conversation. Get over it.
What are you doing, Drew?
Eating a banana, getting yelled at.
Let me see you eat that banana.
Nobody was yelling at you. I was trying to have a conversation. But then you said, fuck you, it's none of your business.
Oh man.
I know I'm going to regret eating a banana on camera, but here we go.
Well, that was good, bro.
Are you gonna help me unlock this thing or what?
So now it's bumper time. Always a good idea to throw some tape on here. Yeah, this thing's gonna be sweet. It's a good snow day project because when you live in upstate New York, this is the kind of shit you gotta deal with. Just a good old snow day project. Yep. I already plowed 3 times. You don't lie?
I don't find like Bill West or Drew West. It was nice. I said, Drew, do you have lunch? He said, no. So I offered him a sandwich. What'd he do? He had a lunch. He had a lunch. He lied to me.
Oh, what a weird thing to be upset about. Oh no. No, you're not, Jack. Dude. Pick a snowbank. All right. Come on, let's go. Get back inside. Nobody's tackling anybody. All right, Drew, drive safe.
See you later. Drew, make sure you let me know you made it home.
So you were gonna tackle him into a
No, I
snowbank?
wasn't gonna tackle him.
Just wanted to scare.
I just wanted to look at his new lights.
Just wanted to scare the fuck out of him on the way home.
I don't scare him either.
Nah.
No.
Good old nor'easter.
You know he's not coming into me.
Well, we're gonna get an inch of snow tomorrow, so.
Gotta adjust these a little bit.
Looks good, right? You like your truck? Little upgrade, need rims and tires. Can't be driving with pizza cutters.
He is so gullible.
Drew thought he was getting thrown into a snowbank, and he looked terrified.
What are you talking about? I don't yell all
I
day.
have a headache from you.
Well, that's because you sit up front and you twiddle your thumb.
I will. Let's switch jobs.
Here we go.
I'll sweep.
What is his Honda Ridgeline?
It's a tool machine car.
A tool what?
A tool machine car. But it's a soccer mom car against the hood. So, do you do soccer or do you do karate, mom?
Actually, they do soccer. They did indoor soccer.
You could have. It could be a soccer mom with the long hair and shit.
I do have one.
Take your hair down for the video.
No!
You could do.
Okay. See, Timmy's starting to get comfortable on camera now.
No, I don't like
It took a day or two.
Sorry, tight.
You can go a little tighter. Just walk closer to it. Look at that. Okay, guys, little update. The front end is finished up. Looks pretty cool. Bumper fit all right. Could have been a little better, but we're gonna tweak it and play with the alignment as much as we can just to get it perfect. Try to keep the gap seat on each side. So RJ's getting going on the rear end now. Now flip the camera around. Yep, everything's fit good. Rims and tires are on the way. We'll keep going on this and see how it sits. Definitely excited to get these rear shocks installed. There it is, guys. This thing really needs rims and tires now. Little pizza cutters. I've got the front set about an inch taller than the rear. Just gonna get in alignment and then drive it and see how it does. But we're gonna get some, like I said, rims and tires on here. Get this thing finished up. But bumper wasn't too bad for the price. This is why I'm leaving New York, because it's fucking 4 degrees out all the time. This shit. Yeah, let's just hang out in Plattsburgh and shovel our fucking trucks off every 5 minutes, it seems like. Good time. Get your shit all nice and then waste all day cleaning it. And then you drive it on the salty roads for 2 weeks. Yeah, guys, sorry for the foul language, but this is what living in upstate New York is. You pretty much go to work, you're tired, you know, it's 5:30, we worked all day like normal people, and then you gotta spend probably an hour, hour and a half cleaning this place so it's ready for tomorrow. And let's be honest, it's still snowing, so I'll probably plow again 2 or 3 times tomorrow. So there's my wife. You know, she doesn't weigh a lot. She gets cold really fast, and
I know.
she's doing what she can to, you know, get that done. And then there's RJ over there. He's busting ass getting that shit moved over there. We're gonna dig all the vehicles out, get the yard cleared for the rest of our team so they can park in the morning. Yeah, so if you want to add, I don't know, a couple hours to your day every day on top of working, just come live here. You're going to be tied up doing shit like this. It's a good time. And I'm not trying to sound negative. I'm 34 years old. I've been dealing with this since I was a kid. I've had many hours plowing, shoveling, doing all that. So yeah, so all the guys that say I'm not going to like the heat, I'm going to love the heat. I'm ready. I don't ever want to see snow again. And if Tucson or let's say northern Arizona gets a little bit of snow here and there in the mountains, that's cool with me. But this shit's terrible. Don't recommend it. Yep, there they are. Cool. All right, guys, that's my update for today. Tundra looks good. We're excited to get that thing done and go from there. Thanks for the follows. Thanks for the comments. I appreciate all the positive talk about us moving out west. We're super excited. Still going. Still going. Still going. Plattsburgh. Live in the North Country, they said.